Is your work life wearing you down? Is your responsibility to fun ratio at an all-time low? Do you find yourself staring out your window on the weekends, longing for more? You may be suffering from ADD, Adventure Deficiency Disorder. The SHYFT is a revolutionary treatment that takes whatever life throws at you and handles it with ease. Scientifically engineered to upgrade your van from "we can't all fit" to "we could fit a basketball team in here." The way it works is simple. Sell all your other vehicles and buy a SHYFT. It cures a myriad of ailments, including boring campsites, all-day soccer games, Highway 99, underwhelming tailgates, and more. Before the SHYFT, the kids were all over the place, on their phones, in each other's way, chaos. Now they shift from one activity to the next effortlessly, in perfect harmony. People look at me now and think, wow, this guy's dialed in. Truth is, I'm not, but now at least I have my SHYFT together.
I told people I needed space. They thought I meant emotionally. I meant physically.
Like 10 feet of sliding space to be exact. More gear space when you need it, more space for the kids, and more sudden urges to show off your van in front of your neighborhood dads for neighborhood clout.
Yeah, you like this, Darren?
You wish, bro. Some side effects of the SHYFT may include being a better parent, getting random thumbs up from strangers while on the road, your spouse instantly regretting telling you to go sleep on the couch, your kids not asking, "Are we there yet?" Having trouble defining where home is, telling strangers about amp hours and solar panels for no particular reason, feeling emotionally supported by a van, and a huge increase in the length of your adventure. Do not use the SHYFT if you're allergic to fun, spontaneity, or kick-ass time. Consult your sense of responsibility before leaving for just a 2-hour drive and returning 2 weeks later with a beard and a drone. If you start referring to yourself as a nomad influencer, stop using your SHYFT immediately, as there is no known cure. The SHYFT by Fieldman. Because when hits the fan, you just gotta shift your plan.